What?
Morning.
Hi.
What did you do?
Went to the gym. Did a 5k.
Doesn't look like it. Is it colder?
Alright, end the vlog now.
Oh my god, it's so hot today and sunny.
Where are we going today?
To the beach.
First proper sunny day.
It's
So
actually
you can't
really
see it
hot.
because it's tinted. Which way are we going?
And it's only 10, it's gonna get hotter.
My beach bar. At 10 in the morning.
10 in the morning.
How could you be drinking at 10 in the morning?
Somewhere.
What the heck?
We could go to the sunbed down there. People are in. I thought the beach was closed.
It says it's closed. I think they're surfing. This is that beach club here. Oh, not beach club, the bar, yeah.
Oh my gosh, should we get one of those beds?
God, that's gonna be so bright. I need shade.
Oh, you need an umbrella.
There's a seat there. There's a
Down
bench.
there?
Yeah.
Oh, geez.
What? Yeah, I was talking about these. I think it's reserved. That one's reserved. Salt coffee.
Oi!
Oh, it's sweet.
Yeah,
It's really sweet.
I love it. That baby is so cute. Can you still with it?
Yeah, I told you it's cold. Thank you. I told you it's cold.
So cold. Oh my god. I can't hold it in here. The waves are so crazy. I'm gonna drop it.
Hey, put it back, put it back. Should I get you a bit of you?
No, just turn it around. Turn it around. I got knocked over by a wave, and then another wave came and waterboarded me. And then I look up, and then it's like.
Hey, get in, get in.
I was literally.
Okay, I'm gonna put it away.
Scary, yeah. There are two types of beach people in this world. Type A. Type B. Here he comes. Without drinks. What happened? Oh, really? They didn't take cash?
No, they don't do cash.
Oh. Which place did you go?
I hate this one.
Yeah.
Do you want to go out in the sun for a bit as well? It's orange juice,
What's yours?
mango smoothie.
He's back.
Oh, that was fun.
That was like 3 hours.
I only came out because my skin started burning.
Burning. It was crazy. I drank a big gulp of it. It was gross. Did you drink any? Seawater?
It's so choppy.
It's so choppy. I've never seen anything like this.
Oh no, it's like this in like countries.
It's really fun though.
In Sri Lanka it's like this too. It's a surfing beach, that's why.
Oh. There's another beach that we should go to tomorrow.
It's all on this coast.
Oh.
This whole coast is like these type of waves. It's just where it is.
Yeah. How was it though?
Yeah, it's fun. There's loads of people just doing the same thing as me.
Yeah, for ages as well.
No, they're still doing it.
There are so many kids that I'm like scared for them.
Yeah.
Some of
Like
them-
strong swimmers.
They're just like sat on floats.
Yeah, there's that one little girl that she nearly drowned.
Really?
Not really, but I was like worried that she might.
Yeah, because I nearly drowned
Yeah, true.
twice.
Yeah.
One time when I fell and then it like waterboarded me, but I was so close to the shore that it was
Yeah.
fine. And the other time when I was wiping my eye and then you lifted me. That was scary. Are you hungry?
Not really, are you?
I'm okay. I can have a snack though. Maybe we should walk down.
Yeah, we'll walk around a bit.
We're trying to find food. I think I was saying that they might do a good steak sandwich.
What type of food do you want? No, this is like.
Like you can't be with it.
I saw someone eating a banh mi as well somewhere.
That would be so good right now. I found another place for when we go to Hanoi. Yeah?
You get that in Hoi An, but not here.
It's so, what time was that? It's like 2.
Yeah, it's 2 o'clock. Are we brown or tan?
I think I am really proud.
I think I am too.
I think you are. Your face has been covered though. I've been like lying in direct sun for 3 hours. It's really serious. Oh, pardon me.
I don't know if they have any. Let's order this banh mi.
So we're sharing one.
Let's get one each, and then if we need, we could like save it for later.
Okay.
Hi.
They have like barbecue stuff as well if you want.
No, I'd rather just go for the banh mi. It's easy to eat as well. Hi, can we please get 2 banh mi's? Oh, he's finished. Oh, you sold out. Oh gosh.
No. Kate, do you want to go that way?
Yeah, it's fine. It's fine.
Thank you.
Oh god, after all that.
How have they sold out?
Oh, they have those things that I got last time, remember?
Oh,
Should we get 2 of those?
yeah.
And then we ended up getting ham and cheese, Croissant and 2 little mini banh mi bread things. So we're literally walking along the beach trying to find food, and we came across this. So we're gonna check it out. Why not? Massage at the beach. Hi. Yeah.
Massage free single.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
Massage 60 minutes equal by 350.
Okay. So with this one, you also get a drink
Yeah.
as well. Okay. That's good.
Am I doing neck and shoulder?
That could be a shower.
60 minutes, 30 minutes food and 30 minutes
Oh,
350.
I'll do a shout too. Neck
Oh,
shoulder.
30 is 350.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, really? Okay.
Oh, should we do both?
Yeah, might as well.
Okay, fine.
Can we do
Do that when you get 2 drinks.
30,
Yeah. 2%.
2%?
200.
What drink do you want?
Could do a bit.
Yeah, do you want to do a bit? Yeah?
Yeah. Okay, fine.
2. Yeah. Thank you.
Waiting 5 minutes.
Oh, 5 minute, okay. This is our waiting area. We have to wait 5 minutes. There's other people first.
I don't know really.
Get a massage at the beach.
I don't know how we ended up here.
And this is our view for our massage.
We're actually getting 2 massages. Half an hour foot, half an hour shoulders and neck. If you need us for the next hour, this is where we'll be. This is so nice.
Yeah, I know. Beach day done.
I know, it was so good.
Oh,
Wasn't it so good?
Yeah, it was really good actually. I didn't think I'd enjoy the sea that much.
You were in there for literally the whole day, like I'm worried about your skin.
I'm worried about yours, mate.
What
Because
about mine? Mine is
you're sitting in the
golden
sun.
brown and
You're sitting in the sun for way too long.
crispy.
I don't know if that's
where I
even normal.
belong. That's where I belong.
I don't even know if
I'm
that's
just trying
normal.
to get to your colour.
Yeah, well, I got browner by being in the sea the
true.
whole day. I wonder how this place would have been today. It might have been
It'd
like,
probably be good. The thing is, I think
it might have
if
been
we
quite
want
busy.
If we want a beach club vibe, come here. But if you want to go to the beach, I wouldn't go to that one.
Nah.
I'd go to the public one.
Yeah, it's more people, more vibes.
But I think we should go to Hoi An for dinner today.
Really,
Yeah.
can do.
We'll think about it.
Yeah,
Just because I think the dancing thing's going to happen.
it happens every day.
Oh, but I think it will be like busy.
Yeah, true.
I wasn't expecting to be like fully in the sea today, so I need to wash my hair.
Yeah, same.
It's so gross. It's got massage oil in it as well.
I don't think she put oil in there.
No, but it went in mine when she
Oh.
did my shoulders. She did my scalp.
I just want to try that chocolate out.
Oh, I want to try the pizza Pringles.
Yeah, just try it out now before you go for a shower.
This is the best. They're like post-beach shower.
We went and bought pizza Pringles and Vietnamese chocolate coffee, or yeah, chocolate coffee. All right, we'll see. Do a taste test. Do you want to come? It doesn't taste like pizza. It tastes like cheese. That's it. It just tastes cheesy and herbs.
I like them though. Yeah, if I tried that, I wouldn't guess pizza.
This is what I really want to try. Hopefully it's nice. Oh, it's coming like proper and nicely wrapped. Oh, I think it's dark chocolate.
No.
Oops.
Is it
I don't know
dark?
if it's dark. It has a coffee taste to it.
Okay, well the time is 6:30. We were supposed to leave at 6. Didn't happen. Then I was like, I need 10 minutes to get ready. And then Nenef was like, oh fine, hurry up. And now that I'm ready, I said, put your shoes on. Shirt needs ironing. So now I'm ready to go. What do you have to say for yourself?
Nothing much.
Nothing much. You're gonna edit this whole thing out.
It's basically done. Hotel at night, and also we're gonna be going to Hoi An for dinner and to watch the Lantern Festival or Lantern release. Abby's just looking for our Uber.
Oh yeah.
Oh, this is our Uber. Let's go. Made it to Hoi An. It's so busy, but all the lanterns are out. Ow.
Sorry. Okay, so the first restaurant is like down that road.
Oh, not today. Yeah.
On the corner. I think it can't be that. Cargo Club. I think it's on that road. That's
Yeah.
one. And the other one is
Which one's better?
Madden.
Or do we just pick a
So
random
this has
one?
1,800 reviews, 4.2 stars. And this has 1,000 reviews, 4.1 stars. So they're both pretty much equally good.
Fine, let's just go to one with a good view. No, we go tomorrow.
5-minute walk. Yeah, it's like on the river, so it's that way.
That way. Okay.
Yeah, that way.
Okay.
Oh look, people did the boat.
got seafood, spring rolls, rice with chicken and cheese. But we haven't got any chopsticks or cutlery, so I'm gonna eat my hands.
Yeah.
That's literally what I want to do anyway. Got pork skewers coming in. Thank you. And whatever this is, some
This is
Vietnamese.
called Mi Cang, and it's
Cang.
like the most. Oh, here's a cutlery soon, I think. It's the most famous dish, or like the speciality
Yeah.
in Vietnam. Like everyone gets it. It's just rice and like different meats, pork. You're a pro. We didn't do this at the other restaurant. Good.
So good.
Really? That looks so good. Oh, I can't even hold it.
Is it nice at least after all that wait? Is it actually?
No, not for me, thank you.
Yeah, but we're gonna go through so many shops and you're not gonna buy anything. You wanted that long shop.
Yeah, but I couldn't decide on a colour. I was
So
pressured.
when are you gonna decide? That's my question.
Next time we're at the market.
No, I was saying get it from here because it's not busy, so you're not under like, not people like bothering you in 2 seconds. Now,
Because if I get a long shop, I'd want the navy one, but it's so similar to my one. That's what I'm thinking.
I thought you have navy.
I have a black one.
Oh, don't get navy.
That's what I mean.
Why don't you get like a different long shot, not the same handle?
Thank you. Thank you. Bye.
Thank you.
What'd you do?
Got 3 t-shirts.
What t-shirt?
2 North Face and 1 Nike t-shirt.
That was a good deal. Actually.
Yeah.
How much was that in pounds?
How much is it? She said 220, 250 plus. £10 for 3 t-shirts.
£10 for 3. 2 North Face as well, and they look real and feel real.
But the quality is actually really good. She said like it's good quality,
Good job.
and it actually is when I felt it.